The Virginia Creeper Trail is more than just a recreational resource. It serves as the foundation of the local economy and a portal to world-class recreation enjoyed by visitors from across the globe.
The Creeper Trail probably gets about 200 to 250,000 folks visiting annually. We were pretty devastated right after Helene, knowing that half the trail, the section that was probably most heavily used, most traffic, was essentially wiped out.
Just over a year ago, Hurricane Helene damaged the Virginia Creeper National Recreation Trail, destroying bridges, eroding stream beds, and leaving communities across southwest Virginia uncertain about their future.
We did see a significant decline in visitation. Our shuttle companies were probably down 60%. Our restaurants and lodging were off by about 30 to 40%.
More than 30 trestles were damaged or destroyed. Much of the 17 miles in the National Forest System lands were scoured to bedrock. The task before us was monumental.
But in southwest Virginia,
come on, how exciting is this?
Heartbreak doesn't last long because purpose always shows up.
And that lasted for a very short period of time. Because the character of southwest Virginia, the character of Virginians, immediately replaced sorrow with purpose. Purpose of pulling together and fixing everything.
For many involved, this project is deeply personal.
My heart really goes out to this local community and what they dealt with. Seeing firsthand and being there, witnessing the raging rivers and what it causes.
With unprecedented coordination and trust, this team is moving quickly without sacrificing care for the land or the community.
We care for the land and serve the people, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're caring for the forest, we're caring for these trails, this community, and we're serving the people of southwestern Virginia.
The Virginia Creeper Trail will rise again, stronger, more resilient, and ready to welcome the world back to southwest Virginia.